Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you a platform with which you can make a complete website from Airtable using the Airtable as your database. Now, if you don't know about what is Airtable, Airtable is a basically a alternative to Google Forms, not a complete alternative, but a kind of a better, incredible alternative to Google Forms, because it has everything. As its name suggests, it is a table, okay, relational database, like basic database. And with that table you can create anything. You can create your own forms, or you can create charts, or you can create all tons of things. So this is basically table or a database. And nowadays Airtable is so much popular that many of the no code platforms or low code platforms are accept accepting Airtable as a database as well. So in this platform you can also use Airtable as your database to create a website. Now we are not here to talk about Airtable. If you want, I can make a new video about that, but I don't think it will be it will be necessary, because there are already tons of things, tons of videos, tons of other things about Airtable. So let's get straight into today's video, what I gonna share about. So let's just see it, okay? So today we are showcasing Softer. Now, so what is Softer? As they have said, the easiest way to build, easiest way to build a basically a website from Airtable in minutes without any code. It is basically a drag and drop interface, as you can see it here, drag and drop builder, but not like others. Okay, so you can build client portals, you can build internal tools. So internal building internal tools is also great, but I don't know how many of us in like most of the building scenarios, most of the high end build scenarios, how many of us are gonna use Airtable as our database. So it's not logical, but you can build it. It is possible, and you can build website as well. Actually, you can build great looking websites for websites. That's what actually matters. Great looking website. Okay. Now that is not also the point of our today's discussion, but what they are providing. Obviously this platform is providing like great great resource to build a website from Airtable. That's okay, but and let's see their pricing also, because that's gonna uh, uh, like uh, uh, give that gonna be a definitive thing to decide if you're gonna go for it or not. So they have four plans. One is free plan. Starter plus plan is $24, then $65 professional plan, then business plan is $165. But I don't know why they have restricted the domains here, because yeah, you can restrict collaborator, but you shouldn't be restrict custom domains. Because if I have a tons of domains, I want to create tons of tons of websites of for my own need. Why you are restricting the domain? Why, while even if I am paying $165? So that is something I would not support, I will never support about them. But rather than that, you kind of can see what are you getting here. Okay, so I think most of us will be okay with soft, like basic free plan. Because you may also ask that, Mehul, you are a web developer, why you are showcasing a no code platform that helps to be build create website? Because sometimes we need a really totally basic website for a single purpose. Maybe the website that I have, like the Notion website that I already have value added. So maybe if I want to build something like that, I can use it totally. I can use it, because yeah, this gonna be easier to build if I use it. because why not? And like building, I when I think about it, like building those uh, in parallel manner, like using Airtable as a database and building the whole platform in software makes more sense. So that is one thing I would consider. I am a web developer obviously, but while I am building such little things that doesn't require too much of a hassle, why will I, right? Because obviously, when I want to build something from ground, from scratch, and totally different, like totally hard coded, it's gonna take time. But for some of the use cases, we don't need that much, like we don't have that much of time to spend, or we don't need to. Okay, and here are the use cases that you can see it here, like you can click on them and see the things that they have, like landing pages, SaaS marketing website, portfolio site, blah blah blah, lots of things. But what I am interested about is the let's say the features as well, because that's also important. So in the feature section, actually in here are all of the features already listed. That is not the roadmap obviously, but membership, payments, interactive lists, integrations, SEO, what's new, whatever. So you can obviously create membership pages, and as you can see, you can accept payment via Stripe as well. So they have provided the Stripe integration and PayPal integration as well. So in the integration section we can see it better. Okay, so here are all the integration that you can uh, apply in your software page. And here is Gumroad as well, then Buy Me a Coffee as well. So yeah, great, really really great, right? So that's the thing about this website actually. And uh if I want to create, like if I want to show you every other details and every other feature, it's gonna be a bigger video, and I don't want that, because then people not gonna see this video at all. So best is, I am ending it here. Visit this site, view it, view every portion of it, have a look, try it your own, connect it with your Airtable, then see how it works for you, if you like it or not, whatever, and let me know later in the comments if you if is it useful or not. That's it. That's it about this video. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great tools, no code tools, maybe it can be no code tool, please let me know about them as well in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.